Hello, I'm Dwayne Myers, District Sales Manager here at SmithCo. And today we're going to walk you through inspection and cleaning out of the airline filters. So here are your inline air filters. They're going to be located on the inside of the driver's frame rail behind the dolly leg. First step is make sure your Gladhands are unhooked. You don't have any air pressure in these lines. This is your red line air filter, blue line air filter. So to inspect these or clean or replace, you can take a screwdriver, put it in the center of the clip and push up, pull it out a little bit, hold that up in there where you take the clip out, and be careful because this is spring loaded. You'll have the cap, the spring, this metal plate, the filter, and another spring. And inside here is an O-ring. We'll put that on the outside cap. So this is your filter. You can blow it out, wash it out, blow it out again, make sure it's clean, good, clean, and dry. And we'll just reverse the procedure. We have the spring, and the filter, cap, and the other spring. Insert that up in there. We'll take the O-ring and get it started in the housing. And then take our plate, put it over the top of that, put it up in there. Put it in, it's clipped, done.